Hello and welcome to this tips and techniques video from Master Your Photography. In this series we've carefully crafted a collection of short videos designed to provide you with key points on specific topics without any of the unnecessary waffle. Our goal is to give you practical information that you can immediately apply to your own photography. We understand that your time is precious, so we've condensed each video to deliver concise, actionable information. With our tips and techniques series, you'll gain the knowledge and the confidence to improve your photography in no time at all. So that's probably enough waffle, let's get started. Today I want to talk to you about colour and how you can use it to generate real impact in your images. The digital photography world uses what's called the additive colour system. So this is based on the three primary colours, red, green and blue. Now if you take these three primary colours and you mix them in various ways, then you generate what we call the secondary colours, and these are the cyan, magenta and yellows. If we then start to mix the primary and secondary colours together, they form what's known as the tertiary colours, and that's basically all the colours that make up our colour wheel. Now, if we're looking for impact in our photography, what we should do is look for what are called complementary colours. So these are colours that are on the opposite sides of the colour wheel to each other. So in this example here, we've got the red and green, which gives us high contrast. It generates an image that's vibrant and it gives it real impact. The analogous colours, those are the ones that are next to each other on the colour wheel, create more of a sense of harmony and serenity and make your images more cohesive. So here we've got oranges and mustards and yellows next to each other. And then we have the monochromatic colours. So this is where you basically just have one colour but different shades of that colour within your image. And this tends to generate images that are very calm and minimalistic. When you're taking a photograph, always consider the colour of the background in relation to the colour of your main subject. So in these two examples here, we've got the same main subject, but the background colour changes, and you can see that it gives us a completely different look and a different feel to the resulting image. A great way to use colour for real impact in your photography is to look for a monochrome background and then make sure your main subject just has a real splash of bright, vibrant colour. You can take this technique one step further by generating what's sometimes called spot colour and sometimes called colour pop images. And this involves taking an image such as this one and then desaturating the background to make it purely monochrome. So the only colour is in the main subject and it really draws your viewer's attention. So that's a quick overview of how you can use colour for real impact in your photography. And I think the main point that I'd like to get across here is don't be afraid of colour. Use it to your advantage, look for complementary colours, look for analogous colours and even monochromatic colours. The main thing is, next time you're out and about with your camera, start to look not just at composition, not just at your main subject, but at the colours and how they blend and work with each other to create real impact. Thank you for tuning in to Master Your Photography's Tips and Techniques series. We hope you found this video useful and practical. Remember, each photo you take is a stepping stone towards becoming a better photographer. So get out there and capture the world in your own unique way. Until next time, happy shooting.